Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 220D M Sport Coupe in Alpine White. So alongside the superb exterior colour, the vehicle also features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. And alongside that, we've also added a set of the 18-inch 718 M Sport alloy wheels that are in the original bi-colour jet black, as you can see there, and they're all in great condition all the way around. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate, has the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps alongside the very nice satin kidney grills. Down the side of the car, you'll be able to see, as well as it being an extremely clean and tidy example, we've added the satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, alongside the vehicle comes with the sun protection glazing. Moving through to show you the interior, which for this vehicle we've got the very nice half Alcantara, half cloth M highlight seats, which for this 2 Series come with the very sought after electric lumbar and heated both drivers and passengers front seats. It also has that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall of course touch upon more of the interior specifications shortly. In the rear you do have a Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central storage tray, and of course being an M Sport you get that lovely darkened M Sport headlining once again. Round towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those fantastic 18-inch alloys. We've opted to go for a satin black rear boot spoiler and the matching diffuser for this 220D, and if you've not yet seen in the boot space for a 2 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that is a very nicely large size area. Again, also coming with split folding seats to improve that size. Moving round to the driver's side once again, you can of course see that both the alloys and alongside all of the additions we've made work nicely with the Alpine White, and again showing you that this is a very clean and tidy example. And I shall now go ahead to take a seat inside, starting with the BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media Screen. And of course, being that we're already there, we'll go through a couple of the media options. It's got DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including external devices for USB, AUX and Bluetooth inputs. You also of course get Bluetooth telephone. We've got sat nav. Down here is the climate controls along with the switches for these lovely front heated seats. It's covered just over 74,000 miles. Did of course mention it's also got the lovely optional 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. This one even has the cruise control as well as speed limiter function, and it's also got voice and volume controls of course. Going through into the vehicle information and service screen, we can show you the service requirements. As you can see, they're all highlighted in green. The next service for the car is due for 19,000 miles time, so loads of life left in that. And up into service history, you can see there it's got 2 services at BMW along with some service records carried out independently. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video of another very nicely presented 2 Series. This one is the 220D. Again, if you do of course want to get in touch, all of the contact information is always in the description down below, along with links to our website, where of course you can view the car in even further detail, along with funding options and of course prices. Thank you once again. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.